Okay, so we're gonna see if we can't take the front end off of this thing. By front end, I mean grill, and we're gonna do something. We're gonna do something with it. Let's see what happens. Part one. All right, quick little heads up. Each bezel has 4 bolts. They're T15 Torx bits. This one on the far side actually has a Phillips head because I think somebody lost it and just replaced it with whatever they had. Well, I just broke the T off the Chevrolet. Cool. Chevrolet. There's these little bits right here. Got a little flathead on them. Twist them to the left. Well, that's what I've been doing. Twist them to the left and pull on them, and they extend to like little old school clips. That's just my setup. We'll see what happens. That's some bad misfortune. That's the T off my Chevrolet. Guess we're taking that off. Whatever. $10mm, the 2 bolts holding in the Chevrolet. If you plan on reusing this, just be, cautious, because the E broke off, the T broke off, junk. It's also fucking 40 some odd years old, sun-baked, skeeters, endless, probably 2 or 3 car washes in this time. Let's see what we got. The red arrows tell you right where the Torx bolts are. They require a T15 Torx bit to remove, 4 for each bezel. Enjoy and have a good one, guys.